as long as anybody can remember, the Hyundai Azera or Grandeur in the country of its origin has been a symbol of affordable luxury. However, things are going to be very different with the brand new 2026 model. Not only is it an excellent sedan, but it also makes a bold and profound statement. The vehicle's powertrain provides serene, tranquil power, and its cabin redefines digital luxury. Its retro-futuristic style is magnificent. In the premium executive class, Azera 2026 has emerged as more than just a rival. It has become the new standard. The innovative front fascia of the Azera 2026 captures the eye right away. The horizon lamp without gyes stands out due to its singular, ultra-thin LED light bar that spans the entire front fascia without interruption. Whether it's day or night, this sleek technological trademark makes a bold and futuristic statement. This is complemented with a style cue from the classic limo era. A long wheelbase, frameless doors with flush handles that pull out to greet you, and a unique opera glass rear window. This design embodies both modernity and tradition, exuding an air of unmatched refinement. The cabin that Azera built is a stunning work of art once you go inside, an incredible haven of cutting-edge technology. Thanks to Hyundai's lightning-fast and incredibly user-friendly CCNC, Connected Car Navigation Cockpit, the 12.3-inch digital cluster and navigation screen blend, together in a panoramic curved screen that welcomes drivers. Separate from the main climate control is a 10.25-inch full-touch air conditioning controller that includes haptic feedback for easy use. An immersive digital experience awaits you in the interior, complete with an interactive lighting system that syncs with driving mode and a premium Bose audio system. Powering the Azera 2026 is a powertrain that prioritizes ease of use and minimal noise. With its silky 8-speed automated gearbox, the top-of-the-line 3.5-liter SmartStream GDI V6 engine commands 300 PS, 296 HP. The Smart Predictive Gear Shift System, PGS, controls all this power by analyzing upcoming curves and changes in terrain, using the front camera and GPS data, therefore selecting the optimal gear before you need it. As a result, you'll have a driving experience that's completely refined, with seamless acceleration and subtle shifting. You won't find a technological show in Europe that can compare to Azera. A magic carpet ride is possible thanks to the vehicle's electronically controlled suspension and its road preview feature, which utilizes the front camera to scan the road ahead and adjust the silencer accordingly. By utilizing active street noise control, the cabin's library remains serene. A digital key 2 lets you use your smartphone or smartwatch as a key, and a fingerprint authentication system lets you start the car and access your driver profile. The security features are state-of-the-art,